welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie, and today I have a special guest. Once again, I have my boyfriend with me, Vlad.
Oh wow.
And last video we did together was the
boyfriend tag.
Yeah, boyfriend tag video. So here he is again. I'm so happy. Today we're doing something different, no makeup related.
And it might be short.
Yeah.
The original idea might have been longer than what I thought, but anyways, she'll explain.
So basically, I've seen this all over YouTube, and these mystery boxes, videos where people just purchase a mystery box. They don't know what's in there, and then, yeah, they just open it and see what they get. And now this particular website where you got these mystery boxes, I think I've never heard of that.
Well, long story short, I would never ever buy anything like this, but the reason that I decided to try and see what it is that I'd get was because they advertised some kind of sale over Labor Day weekend where it was supposed to be like this big reduction in price, where it was originally I think $80, but they lowered it to like $20, and then they advertised that you can get up to 4 times the value of whatever you pay. So I figured if I'm paying $20 and it should be an $80 value, possibly multiplied by 4, I was thinking hey, I could actually do okay with this mystery box just for the hell of it. And so I bought 2 of them. So I spent $40 on this, and we'll see what it is. And I was kind of expecting a bigger box than what we were seeing. I was expecting like a box.
Yeah, it's not a box. It's like a package.
Yeah,
basically.
It's a package. It's
so
to tell you the truth, right from the start already, I'm kind of disappointed. But we'll see.
We'll see. Hopefully.
I'll reserve my judgment till after it's open.
So what is this website called?
I got it off of PCMag.com.
PCMag.com. And what?
Yeah, they do mostly like electronic stuff and whatever. They have just about everything. I have a friend who bought some Oakleys off there a couple of weeks back.
Okay.
So, I mean, who knows? Chances are you're going to get something to do with electronics, you know, computer stuff, whatever. Stuff that I'm kind of interested in, so we'll see.
All right. So let's...
So, yeah. These packages are still sealed. They have not been opened, as you can see. I have 2 of them.
Sorry.
And like I said, I was expecting a box, but I pretty much got just one of these priority envelopes.
This feels light. This one.
And this one kind of feels heavy, but I don't know. I was thinking there's going to be like a box with a bunch of stuff in it, but now I'm getting the impression that there's like only one thing in here, so.
Alright.
I don't know.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah, because you thought we would get like multiple things.
Yeah, I mean, I thought if it's going to be worth $70, I better get one damn good thing, or I better get several little things that at least amount to that, so. Alright, let me open this up here. Small tip, by the way, cut away from yourself. I got several stitches in my hand to prove why you should do that.
Yeah.
I will not make that mistake again.
Yeah, he cut himself.
Yeah, badly.
Badly, and I drove him to the emergency room.
Yeah.
So yeah, so like I was saying, we're gonna check the prices of every item we got to see if it's
things in here.
Yeah, to see if it's worth $40.
All right.
Okay.
So I got a mouse. That I was totally expecting that. Actually, when I brought the package upstairs, I can kind of feel that. So
this is cute. It's like a leopard type of.
It's from Gearhead.
Pattern.
2.4 gigahertz wireless nano mouse. A wireless optical mouse with a nano receiver. Look it up. Let's see what it's like.
Should I check on Google?
You know what? Check eBay. We'll just use eBay because I have the app. It's easy to check. Okay. So I've on eBay.
This goes
anywhere between $6 and $7, basically. So $6 and $10.
$6 and $10.
Let's say 6.
I actually like this particular one because it has like a leopard pattern. I think I might keep this one for myself.
All right, this looks like a thing for your tablet, I guess. It's got a magnetic folding casey thingy.
Okay.
And to tell you the truth, it looks a little rough.
It looks dirty.
It's from Verizon, it says here. And it looks used, I'll be honest here. I think they gypped me on this one.
Do you think we can look this up on eBay?
Honestly, I wouldn't even bother.
There's something in here. What is this?
Nothing.
Would your tablet fit in here?
Yeah, it would be. It's actually just the right size for my Samsung Galaxy S2.
Oh, it has also like a little pocket in the front here.
But I'm disappointed because it looks used, I'll be honest. Like, look in the corners here. That thing looks like it's roughed up a little bit there, you know? That doesn't look like a genuine article that's brand new.
All this hold on.
Let's see, Verizon.
This right here.
Tablet case.
Oh, wait.
Another $8 item.
So
what was that one? $6?
Yeah.
So we're at like $14 between the two of them.
And you paid.
And I spent $20 on this.
$20.
And the third thing here.
Ah.
It looks like a pair of Bluetooth earphones.
Oh, that's good. I actually wanted a pair of Bluetooth headphones.
Oh, did you now?
You have a pair already.
What a coincidence.
So this is good for me.
So they are accessory A-buds. Now I know a little bit about these because sometimes I buy these things when I see them very cheaply, and you can get this stuff pretty cheap these days. So let's see here.
So this retails for.
First one that popped up on eBay, I'm getting $23.99, and I'm seeing ones. It's literally the exact same set, so let's say $24 for that. And yeah,
So
24 bucks. I mean, anywhere between 24 and as
Okay.
high as $59.99. But I don't know if you're paying $59.99 for that, to be honest with you.
That's pretty cool.
But so 24 bucks plus what was the rest?
Six.
14. So we're at $38.
$38.
So package number one. Retail market value kind of doubled the $20 investment, I guess, but nowhere near the $79.99 that they claimed the package would have been worth had you paid full price for it. So if I paid full price, I'd be pretty pissed.
Yeah.
I'll tell you the truth, I'm not too happy about having paid $20 for that, but whatever. I took a chance. Alright,
Okay.
one
so
more. This one feels heavier.
of these
So there
ones.
are 3 things in this package.
Another one of these.
Useless,
Well, there's one for you and one for me, I guess.
I guess. Yeah.
This one's worse.
This one
It
looks
has
really
a
like
huge line going across. I don't
it looks
guess.
really rough. Like it looks like something you find at a garage sale, for crying out loud. That somebody used. But I mean, as far as the case goes,
Yeah,
if you're not
whatever.
if you're not crazy about aesthetics, or if you're not like too picky about the way it looks, I guess it's fairly
Yeah, when you're
robust.
traveling and you're bringing your iPad and something like that, it's useful.
Oh,
Alright.
okay. So we know that's worth what? What was that worth?
Oh, that
Like
was,
10
yeah, $10.
$8, I think it was. $8.
What's next?
But you know what? In that condition, let's say $3, $4. Power pack. I got a power pack, so I guess one of those portable.
Oh, that's awesome.
Charger. Yeah, it's awesome. Except I have about 10 of them already.
You do?
Yeah, I do. Don't you remember? I mean, we have a lot of hurricanes here, so this type of stuff is actually kind of handy. But
This is like a portable battery.
10,400 milliamps. That's actually not too bad, to tell you the truth. That's a pretty substantial power pack. So let's look it up. Oh wow.
$50
According to this, it's $50. But here's one selling.
at 30.
Yeah, but it's not the power pack 10.
So
Yeah,
$50
so
for
that-
this. That's
I mean,
awesome. And you paid 20. I mean,
that's pretty good
these
actually.
could be like good gifts, like
Normally these are like only about 2,000 milliamps, so the cheaper ones. So you can actually get maybe like one charge on your iPhone or something like that of it. But 10,400 milliamps is actually pretty substantial. You could charge a tablet with this for sure, probably a couple of times. You could charge your iPhone, I'd say about 4 times with this. That's not too bad. They're so expensive, these things, though. You'd think they'd be cheaper by now, but anyways. Alright, I don't know what this is. This says BYLT
What is
on
that?
the box. I have no idea.
What the hell?
Clearly already this box was better than the first one.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see here.
A strap?
I'm seeing some big batteries. These are like those 18650s.
Batteries?
I still don't know what this. Oh, it's a flashlight.
Ah!
So it's a fancier
Interesting.
flashlight, I guess. Yeah, look at this. Pretty much like one that I already have, essentially. Almost identical, to tell you the truth, except it's a little larger. I'm not so sure it's more powerful. but
Heavy.
yeah, they're pretty good. I have a couple of these LED ones, and they're not too bad. They're very bright. Might come in handy during a hurricane.
Mm-hmm.
When the lights go out. Yeah, it looks pretty heavy duty. Comes with a charger. I'm not sure what this is, but that's it.
Okay, a flashlight.
A flashlight, yeah.
Alright.
You know what? Let's look it up, I guess.
Yeah, let's look it up.
Well, it seems that there are none on eBay, so
Okay.
you know what? Let me check Amazon.
I love eBay. I find that Amazon is more expensive than eBay.
Depends for what.
Makeup
Except
is
people
Amazon very expensive.
People have no idea how to bid on eBay. I gotta tell you, it's the worst.
Yeah, that's true.
Nothing about it on Amazon
Why don't
either.
you check on Google Chrome?
Yeah. Bring that thing back here. Maybe that's not what it's called. Oh, here we go. And lo and behold, it was found on
eBay.
Amazon.
Amazon. You have a
It's
charger.
called the BYLT Tactical Light.
This is a very high-tech
Well, they sell on Amazon for $34.99.
flashlight. What is this strap for anyways?
I don't know. It's probably some attach it to your belt kind of thing or whatever. Oh no, it's a carrying case. Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
How cute
So
is that?
you put your belt here, and
So
then
basically you can
can have
put
this-
it away.
yeah, they call this one of those tactical lights.
Oh, that's cute.
Ta-da!
Ta-da.
$34.99 on Amazon. I don't know if you
34?
can see that. $34.99. So clearly, mystery box number 2 was better than mystery box number 1.
Cool.
But to tell you the truth, like I said before opening them, it's something I would never do, and I don't think I'll ever do again. To tell you the truth, I don't know. That was, I'm disappointed with that.
Yeah.
I was hoping for a home run, you know, just because they said that it was marked down from $80, but no, I'm not.
Yeah, I wasn't really.
I'm not
blown
getting
away.
suckered into that. So take my experience as a lesson and just avoid those stupid things. Get what you want as far as going out there and shopping for the item you're looking for, and just pay for it, and stop
Yeah.
hoping for something great to come out of these mystery boxes. But yeah, long story short, pretty disappointed. Especially to have gotten the same case twice. I mean, I think they put that in every single one. And moral of the video, avoid mystery boxes.
Yeah, I don't think they're worth.
You know what, unless you're trying to resell the stuff on eBay, I might actually, if I were to sell all this stuff on eBay, could I make money on it after paying PayPal and eBay their share? Probably. I think it's worth more than $40 there if you wait long enough on it.
Alright, so that was it for today's video. Something very, very different. And thank you for being with me.
My pleasure.
And
This video brought to you by me and my
brought
wallet.
to you by Vlad.
And my $40 expenses.
So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and let us know if you have ever bought a mystery box.
Yeah.
That would be interesting.
Yeah, if any of you bought a mystery box and actually got something really, really good, I'd be curious to hear about that.
So let us know in the comment section below. And yeah, so probably Vlad will make more appearances here on my channel. I don't think they're all going to be makeup related. Or maybe, let's try the boyfriend does my makeup tag ones.
If you're willing to put that in my hands, we'll see. Maybe.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe we'll try that once, just for fun. So yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll be posting videos every Friday. I will try to post every Friday. But if not, I'll be around for sure. So yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching again. And I'll catch you in my next video. Mwah.
Go Heat.
Go Heat.